guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a weird intro. I never did this before with my head looking all kind of weirdish, but anyways, I really don't care. This will be my intro for this video, and you guys know what I'll be doing from the title and the thumbnail. So before we jump into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell right next to it, because I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so right now I'm going to teach you guys how to put on a stocking cap through the bald method. I know the bald method is always around. Everybody and their mama doing it. It's nothing new, but this is the way how I started doing it like 3 weeks ago when I saw Glamazon Tay, if that's how her name, yeah, Glamazon Tay, she did it, and I was like, oh shit, yes, I'm gonna do this too. So this is my updated bald cap method that I'll be doing today. And if you guys want to learn how I got this bald cap method, stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end. So basically, I already went ahead and I put this Got2b glue all over my edges already, and I brush it down. So if it look kind of whitish, it's this, okay? Nothing else. I wash my hair. My hair is clean, okay? I wash my hair every single week. So I put this onto my edges, and then I put the stocking cap over it. And this stocking cap I got from my beauty supply store. It comes with two in here, and this is a color, like this is my color. It's a little bit darker, but I could finesse it. But this is what I always put. This is a dark brown. They have the lighter one. They have all different kind, and this is only $2, and it comes with two in the pack. So right now I'm gonna go ahead, and you need these two right here. These two, I have the black one, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna use the yellow one. So right now I'm gonna take it, and as I already told you, I put the stocking cap over my ears, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and, where is it? Where is my scissors? Wow, I can't find my scissors right now. Oh shit. Okay, I can't find my scissors right now. But basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my tweezer. Hope you can see it. And I'm gonna bore a little hole. I cannot find my scissors. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna bore a little hole right here. I hope I don't mess up, because I normally do this with a scissors. Don't follow me, guys. Use a scissors. Okay, and bore a little hole. Okay, and put your ears in between. Just bore a little hole and force your ears in it, just like that. See? And I'm gonna do the other side. Just make sure that it's not uncomfortable, you know what I'm saying? So now that I do it, I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray and spray the edges. And I have a really funny hairline, because my baby hair reached me right here, and then my front of my hair is up here. So if you can see, this is where my baby hair stops. So it's like, you know, in, out, in, out. But I don't really follow my hairline, to be honest, because sometimes I take it all the way down to here. So I'm basically going to go ahead and use the spray and spray all around. And don't worry if the spray come all the way down here. You could kind of, when it's fully dry, you could go ahead and lift it up just a little bit and cut it off. So right now, I sprayed all. I'm going to use my, where is it? My blow dryer, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this. Okay guys, so now that it's completely, like, it's really stiff, but you got to make sure that the sides are fully dry, because if they're not fully dry, when you cut it, it will lift up. So just try to make sure it's fully dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the middle. I don't think this is just gonna work, but this is the only thing that I could find. But try my best. And as I had mentioned that if the spray goes all the way down, you could go ahead and just lift it up. But just cut until you reach to where you want your lace to lay. Some people want it like here. I don't know why. But you're just gonna lift it up just like this. It doesn't hurt at all. Just take your time. Let me get closer to the mirror. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut. So as you can see right here, doesn't have anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off. To be honest, the sides doesn't even matter. Like, you know, the hair's gonna go there, the lace is gonna hide it. So you don't have to like go crazy if the size is not fully, you know, all the way down. So basically you just cut really close to your hairline, but not like really on top of it. Because it depends, it all depends, because if you do have a big forehead, you could cut a little bit down. But if you have a small forehead, you have to cut really like right on top of your hairline. Okay guys, so normally if I'm putting on a full lace, I would go ahead and glue the back down. But this wig that I'm putting on is not a full lace, so I really don't have to glue the back down. I just, you know, leave it just like that. But if you do have like, you know, little stuff right here that is not sprayed down, you just go ahead and just clip it off. But basically it has to be completely flat for the lace to go on and just melt into your skin. It has to be completely like flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut those parts off. Okay, so now that it's all done, you're gonna take a paper towel and you're gonna go ahead and take your alcohol, 91%, and you're gonna clean off the edges, because as you can see, it's like white because of the spray. You're just gonna go ahead and just clean it off. And be careful not to let the alcohol touch this, because it will lift up. So just go ahead and just clean off the edges. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the ball cap method. Really simple, really easy. It might take a little bit time for you to understand, but trust me, it's really easy. It's simple. 1, 2, 3, and you're done. But just go ahead and do the steps that I did and you'll be fine. And all you have to do is just go ahead, put your glue on, put your wig on, and voila. So this is a very simple, easy ball cap method. I know I did a transition of, whoa, you didn't look like this in the intro. Yes, I know, but I'll be having another video coming up soon of how I put that wig on. No lace showing. What you saying? Can't hear you. Okay guys, so don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday and Thursday for more video. And let me know what you want me to do next. Okay, let me know. Let me know. All right, so I'll definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.